Hello and welcome back to channel TLD Tech. In this video today we'll just discuss how we can build a website using the AI, and we'll just get the free domain along with the free hosting from the GitHub. So you all know about the GitHub. GitHub will provide you the unlimited hosting for the lifetime, and by using the free domain for the lifetime you can also use the free hosting for the lifetime, which will provide you the free access to website. So you can build the free website just by using the GitHub and a free domain, which I'll show in this video. So do not skip any part of this video. However, I have made a number of videos regarding this topic on my channel. Please go through them and do not forget to click on the subscribe and bell icon to get our latest update. Without wasting time, let's go for the today's topic and grab this free domain and hosting. So let's begin for the today's topic. To get the free domain and hosting from the GitHub, you need to go for the new tab of your browser, and here you have to just type for the Westmer. Then you please go for the enter. So after searching this Westmer, you will just find a website westmer.io, and you can find that there is a first link over here, and there is a free web hosting on the Google search rank. Okay, so just click on this free web hosting link, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can easily get the free web hosting from this website along with the domain name. Okay, so for the domain name I'll explain in this video. Previously also I had made a video how to get the domain name. From this video you will just get the free domain name where you can index with the name server, and you can easily change the name server as well. Okay, so this will 100% work for you. While from this website you just get the free domain and hosting again. Okay, scroll down. Here is the launch your website instantly for free option, so please click on the deploy for free. Okay, after you just click on the deploy for free, then you'll be redirected to this page, and now you can see that there is a two section where you can just upload a file from GitHub, or if you have a static website files, then you can directly drop and you can get the live of your website from here. Okay, so there are two options over here, but again scroll down, and here are some template by which you can able to create a website just by using the template and other things. So we have discussed about the static website, but however many of you are familiar with the WordPress, and in this video also I'll just teach you how you can install the WordPress with the free domain and hosting, and you can use the GitHub as a free hosting. So if you use the GitHub as a free hosting, then you will just get the hosting for the lifetime, which is forever. Okay, scroll down, you can find some template over here. There is a Astro, there are some other starter package, but we do not need all this package here. We just need the WordPress so that we can install the WordPress on our website. So for that we'll just click on the browse or template, and after that you just find a WordPress option at the first. Here is the option for the WordPress starter. Okay, so this is the things by which you can easily install the WordPress, and you will able to get the domain as well. Now just click on this link to get started with the WordPress. Then it will just allow you on the next page, and this will be your page by which you can easily create a website. Okay, now you just need the hosting and domain to host this WordPress. Okay, so first of all, to get that you need to go up and go for this respective website, and now we'll just click on it deploy for free. Now after you just go back on this website, if you just scroll down, then you will find a template of WordPress at the beginning. Okay, click on this WordPress, and once you just click on the WordPress, then you are able to choose your website name or domain name. Okay, so there is a static extension westmer.app. This will be the extension for your free domain and hosting, but you need to keep the domain name over here. Okay, let me keep as a TLD Tech. You can keep your own domain name. Scroll down, there is a two server location by which you can choose over here. One is United States and one is France. Okay, so here I found a France as a fastest server, so I'm just choosing as a France. You can select any of them, and you can select for the WordPress version and PHP version that you need to install on this WordPress. Okay, scroll down, just click on the configure your WordPress site. Don't forget on this option because the whole login credential is over here. Okay, so you need to provide the site title. Here I'm just using the site title as a TLD Tech. You can keep your own title. Then please select for your language, the administrator, username and password. Okay, so let me assign a password and username for this. After you assign for the password, you need to add the admin email as well. So here we'll just keep the admin email over here. Okay, so on the admin email you can use a Gmail, but here I have just used the domain mail. Scroll down and you can directly go for the deploy now, and you are able to deploy your WordPress website. Okay, let me click on the deploy now, and your WordPress website will be run like this. Okay, you can see that the whole configuration, whole file is being installed on the GitHub. Okay, so if you haven't created an account to your GitHub, then please sign up on the GitHub, and that will deploy all this thing on your GitHub account. Okay, finally you can see that we have successfully created our account, but you can see a red message. Or so finally we have successfully created our WordPress website, but you can see some warning on the top of your website. It has clearly mentioned that if you did not create an account on the website, then your website will be only stay for 1 hour. Okay, it means that we need to sign up free for creating this website. So we'll just click on the sign up for free. Then we need to create an account over here. Okay, so you can use the GitHub for signing over here. Just click on the GitHub. So finally, after clicking on the GitHub account, if you have an account, you need to log in for this account, and if you do not have an account, you need to go for the sign up. While you can see that I have already an account which is active, and I have just linked this account with this GitHub account. Now you can see there I have already used 3 of the WordPress website over here. So there is a static website, there is a WordPress website, and the one that I have just recently created. And these all 3 websites are perfectly working with the high speed of loading on the website because of GitHub. Because GitHub provide you SSD based hosting, which is for lifetime, and you can use this WordPress website for lifetime. Okay, so just click on this link and you are able to get your website live on the screen. Okay, so this is the thing by which you can easily create a website. Now if you want to make a change, if you want to install the theme plugin, you can simply go on the top of your link and add a WP login, which will just provide you the login page of the WordPress, and you need to provide the username and password that you have previously assigned, which will able to get login to your website. Okay, just click on the login and you will be redirected for just click on the login and you will be redirected for the WordPress dashboard. So in this way you can get the free domain, free hosting, and free SSL just by using this method, and you'll just get the GitHub unlimited web hosting from this website, as I have already shown you all of this part on my video. So please watch the video carefully and you will not able to miss anything, so that you'll just get access to this website, web hosting, and free domain. Now if you want a video regarding how to customize the WordPress website, then please mention in the comment section below. I'll make a separate video regarding this topic also, but right now we have successfully got the domain and hosting, and in this way you can also try. Comment in the comment section below that this method is working or not for you. I'll be again back with you bringing more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Till our take. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.